Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a slow and laggy Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is just open a game. You can open up any game, but we'll go on the survival game. So once you've loaded into your game, if you press the Roblox logo in the top left corner and then go over to settings, scroll down until you get to graphics mode, change this to manual. Now you can adjust the graphics quality. The lower it is, the higher FPS. Here you can adjust the maximum frame rate, so if you drop it down then it won't be as jumpy. Once you've adjusted it to how you like it, press resume and that will save. As you can see, it's running very smooth. Most of these games have their own settings as well. So for instance, in this game there's a settings button here, and here we can adjust. So here we can hide the terrain texture. So if we turn that on, then the game doesn't look as good, but it will run even more smoothly. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.